Hi there, welcome back. This is Testimony here again, and in this video I'll be showing you how to remove background from your picture with another powerful application. All right, this one is called Inshot. All right, this is my own Inshot, but you can easily get access to Inshot from your Google Play Store. Just search for Inshot. Am I correct? No. This is Inshot. Okay. So, and this is the app here. Oh, I need to update but I'm not going to do that now. So, I'm not going to do that now. Let's just get right in. After downloading Inshot, you might actually need to register just like every other app with your Gmail, with your Facebook, manually or automatically. Just follow the process of registration. So I'm going to click here right now. To cancel this, I'm going to click that area. Yeah. So this is Inshot. Just click on photo, then you can click on new. So you select a photo you want to remove the background. So I'm going to use this particular picture right now. Yes, this is me and my daddy, Dr. Adeoyomoni. So you are going to look for cutout. All right, this is cutout here. From the tools you are going to look for cutout. This is cutout here. So I'm going to, all right, automatically Inshot has removed the background for me. All right, so, and I'm going to press OK. So once I do that, I'm going to press save at the top here. I can see save. So I'm going to save, and I'm going to cancel here. Actually, this is the secret. Inshot, you know, the previous app I showed you in the previous video, I showed you photo room. So photo room use data, of course, before you can be able to use it. But Inshot does not use data to remove background. But at first attempt, you are going to use data to activate it. After you use data at first attempt, you are not going to be using data again to remove the background. I hope you understand that. So let me take you through the process again for more clarity. So I'm going to just go back now, select photo, new, then select a picture that you want. Go to cutout. When you get there, it will load, it will remove, then press mark here. After pressing it, come to save and wait for it to save, and you are good to go. So you can go ahead to check from your photo now. This is Inshot. Can you see that? These are few things I have removed with Inshot actually. Right, these are few pictures I have used Inshot to remove the background. Thank you so much. God bless you.